Hello and welcome back to our French language learning series. In this video, we will be discussing personal subject pronouns in French. In French it's called
les pronoms personnels sujets.
Personal subject pronouns are the words that replace a subject in a sentence. Understanding these pronouns is essential for anyone who wants to speak French fluently. So let's get started. Here are the pronouns and their English equivalents.
Je,
It means the pronoun I in English.
tu,
It means the pronoun you in English. It is used as the informal form of you, used with family, friends, children, or other people of the same age.
il,
It means the pronoun he in English.
elle,
It means the pronoun she in English.
nous,
It is a plural pronoun, which means we. It is used mostly in written form, or when you want to be more formal.
vous,
It is the formal form of you, used with strangers, elderly people, and when we're talking to people in a professional context. It is also used to indicate the plural of informal you.
il,
It is used to indicate they. It used for masculine nouns and mixed gender groups.
elle,
It is also a plural form, which indicates they can be used only for a group of women or feminine nouns. Now, let's look into the pronunciations.
Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle.
And that concludes our video on personal subject pronouns in French. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.